Welcome back. In this section, you're going to learn an amazing factor that also plays a big role in your local business ranking on Google. A couple months back, I took a small project. This is about a baking classes website. She had a website which was on HTML. I had to move it to WordPress. While moving it, there was a lot of content that also had to be moved from HTML to WordPress. I had to consider a bunch of factors in order to move. While I will talk about that when we do WordPress and using something called 301 redirect in a later section, right now I want to bring your attention to one of the most important factors if you want to rank locally. So imagine this. I was targeting a keyword like baking classes in Bangalore. That's baking classes in Bangalore. She teaches people how to bake cakes, breads, and so on and so forth. All I had to do was target the keyword or the service in this case, which is baking classes, and include the word Bangalore, which is the location. So always remember, in order to rank locally for a local business on Google, it's important that you have the service plus the location. That's how you will be able to rank for some of the keywords. So if I'm doing digital marketing, it's digital marketing agency Bangalore, just as another example. Always remember, service plus location, very effective, very easy as well in order to rank, because the competition is kind of limited instead of looking at a very generic term. Okay, so I hope you implement this. It's going to be very useful if you take up projects with small businesses within your city. Always use the service plus the location and you will succeed. Good luck. Stay tuned for the next section.